Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session we are going to learn about mirror. So mirror is nothing but the same imaginary copy you are going to see as we see in the case of our real world object, that is mirror. Right. So here I have written mirror. So how and where you are going to find this mirror object. So as you've seen in the previous sessions also I have told you. So now we are dealing with respect to modifying toolbar. So you are going to definitely you are going to find with respect to your modifying toolbar. You just go and tap over here. So you are going to find your mirror over here. The same way, if you don't want to use your menu bar, if you want to use your ribbon palette, so here it is there in mirror, so under the modifying toolbar, right? So if you don't want to use these two things, if you are very comfortable in typing the things, just type in the comment box the shortcut key, or if you want to write the full name, you can do any of the things. If you want full name, you can write MIRROR, or you just type MI and press space, right? So here what I have done in this case, I have taken the two things. One is the word, a small word I have been taken here, that is hello, and one more I have been taken from this design center, that is dining table. So if I want to mirror this object, the same object to be mirrored toward this side or toward this side, how it is going to be work with the help of your shortcut command key mi or your mirror. See here, just like assume this line is nothing but your mirror. If you are standing in front of mirror, what you are going to see? You are going to see a imaginary picture of your. This is not a real one. Whatever you are seeing, this is not a real one in the real world. But here, if I want this object to be mirrored over this side, so I can keep the same one more copy of this one, or I can delete this one and I can replace over here this side. So with the help of mirror, I can do that. So what I need to do first, I will type here mi and I will just press enter or a space button. So now it is asking me select the object, which object you want to be mirror. So for example, if I was selecting this object, right, so it is asking me whether there are any further objects other you want to mirror along with this object. So I don't have any further objects, so what I need to do, I need to press once again space or a enter. So now it is asking me specify the first point of the mirror line. So if I was choosing this as my base point for this object as first point, and if I was selecting this as my second point, then what it is going to do, it is going to mirror me this one. So now it is asking me in the comment that erase the source object. Source object is which one? The previous one, from which object we are mirroring the next object. So this will become your source object. It is asking me whether I want to erase the source object. If you hit yes, it will vanish off from this place and got replaced over here your dining table. If I press no, so it will keep both the objects. So first time I will press with yes and we will check with respect to no also. See here, when I press enter, so it will vanish off from this place and got replaced over here new one. The same way, if I want to keep on either side, so what I can do that one. So again I will type mi and I will press enter. So when I select the object, so it is going to ask me specify the first point. This could be my first point and this could be my second point. So during this time what I will do, I will just press the no. So you can check out here, I got the two object in front of my screen. The same way, if I want this dining table should be placed over here, then what I can do, so again you press mi and press space, select the object. Alright, now it is asking me the first point and this is my second point. If I press this time yes, so it will vanish off. Right, this is how it is going to work with respect to object. So why have been taken a word over here? So for example, see here, now if I was pressing mirror for this object, if I was selecting the object this time, so what I will do from this point, if I was mirroring, right, downward or upward or anywhere, you can check out this was my source object, means previous one whatever I have been written, this was my mirrored object. So whenever if you are writing any of the things in your notebook, and if you are placing in front of your mirror, it will reflect in the reverse order or in the unreadable form, just like you have seen in case of your ambulance. What they will do, whenever you are riding a vehicle, if you are sitting in the driving seat, when you are looking at the mirror, so it will look exactly ambulance, you can easily read, but that is not the, that they have been written in the reverse format. See here, if I was placing here, if I press enter, so what it has done, this object, it has been just replaced over here, but it has not done a mirror case. So what I need to do, so if I want to change this object, how we are going to see in case of ambulance, if you want to see that format, so then what I can need to, I need to type in the comment box MIRRTEXT, mirror text I need to write here, and I need to press the enter. Now it is asking me enter the new value for mirror text. So here what is nothing but here by default they have been given as a 0 value. So here only the two inputs that are to be allowed, one is 0 and one more is 1. So 0 is nothing but off and 1 is nothing but on. So it is saying that mirrored object should be reversed. Whenever if I press over here, just like how we are going to deal with respect to house switch buttons, so one downward is your switched on, so if you are pressing upward, so it will switch it off, right? When you switch on, what you are going to see, you are going to see the light source in your house. The same way here, when I switched on this one, you are going to see the mirrored object of this world, right? So if I was pressing here 1 and I will hit enter, right? So during this time, whatever I will mirror, it will definitely will see in the mirrored object. See here MI. So again it is asking me the first point, somewhere I will click and somewhere I will click the over here. Now you can check out here, it is mirrored right now, OLLEH, right? This is what how you are going to see in case of your mirrored object, right? If I press no, you can find this one. The same object, if I keep one more time somewhere else, for example, so this was my first point and this was my second point, for example over here, and if I press yes this time, you can check out here HELLO. If you place in front of mirror, you are going to see the hello correct proper way. So this is what how we are going to see the ambulance also. If you want to mirror this object, what I need to do, I need to type here in the comment section MIRR, right? So then text I need to type. So whenever if I want to get back that original, right, in future also if I was going to do any mirror things, so all the alphabets it will get by the mirrored object. If I want to get back the whatever the mirror object I was getting, it should be the name should be same as it is. Then what I need to do, I need to switch off that one, or else you are going to see all the mirrored object in case of your words. So what I need to do, once again MIRR, then text I need to type, so and I just need to hit the enter. So it is switched on. Now I want to switch off. So how I can do switch off? By pressing 0 and press the enter. Now it is switched off. For example, if I want to mirror this object only, so what I will do this time, MI, if I press this one, so select the object, press once again. So this was my first and this was my second. You can check out whatever the words are there, they are getting the similar, only it is replacing from here and here. So it is not mirroring the words or letters inside this whatever I have been written, right? This is how it is going to be work your mirror. If you got any doubts or if you not understand any of the whatever I have been said over here, you please comment in the section, definitely I will help you out. Thank you.